3/2 inch Allen wrench. So I'm going to just slide this out of here, and you'll note there is a little tab that connects when you're removing it. So I'll set that plate aside, and now I'm going to insert the tumescent module. So all you have to do is take this connection and plug it in, and then slide all the contents in place. And remember that little tab, and slide that into place. And then once that's there, you just put the screws in. It's very simple to connect. So this is how a 1021 would arrive. It would already have this tumescent module in place. If they order a LipoTower with tumescent infiltration, you're not going to have to do any of this stuff. I'm just showing you this because if they order an ASP-1020 and you want to upgrade it later, you'll be able to. So then the last part of this is to take the peristaltic pump, align this groove right here with this thing that's sticking out right there. It's a little tricky, but just look in there and get it where you need it, and then give it a turn. You're all set.